Third question, that a metal filament lamp rated what means bulb over, and this bulb consumes power. Always draw diagram in it, okay? And the voltage they have given is consumed by the bulb only. Connected capacitor across a comma hertz, right? Now what they want to calculate and the phase angle, the phi value. Basically, as you know, triangles are at V, right? If I'll apply the Pythagoras, in that case, Arcus the V that is to the VR that is what was bulb is, right? Bulb how much voltage? 100 ka get the value E, and you know equal to I into XC, correct? But we the value, but we do current. If we get the value of current, can we get the value for XC? Current we from here because it is current is equal to V. Power is for the bulb they have given voltage is current is that is 2.5 ampere, right? The value of current we can substitute get XC, correct? Okay, now XC is 1 over omega C by F. Now we know 5 after solving it. Get this value over here, that is what they have asked, right? Now the phase angle as you can see are, and we know cos phi is r divided by, right? From here phi is equal to cos inverse VR divided by C or not?